Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Juan Llorens and I am a systems engineering professor at University Carlos III in Madrid, Spain. Based on an R&T agreement between my university and the reuse company, they call themselves TRC, I can act as CTO of the company. It is my pleasure to lead the presentation of TRC's corporate slogan and the corresponding technology behind it. I hope that you like what you will hear and see. If you need more information, do not hesitate to contact me at the university or either contact TRC people directly. You will see the contact information at the end of this video as well. As you have probably heard before, in TRC's vision, knowledge reuse is fully integrated in every organization's productivity chain. Whatever intellectual activity performed in your company can gain from being aligned with a corporate knowledge management approach. This approach applies as well to all processes and activities within system lifecycle management. In this context, TRC's slogan stands for Leveraging Knowledge-Centric Systems Engineering. This slogan should serve as a lighthouse for you in your way to understand present and future TRC products, projects, and services. Indeed, all TRC products apply common and shared ontologies to provide quality, V&V, traceability, interoperability, communications, and reuse services. Since the beginning, TRC has bet for using knowledge bases and ontologies for representing all common information and knowledge with the intention to reuse it, of course. Let me give you an example. If you define at the beginning of a project the terminology for a particular system, why shouldn't the requirements management tool use it for proper naming the requirements? Or why shouldn't a modeling tool use the terminology list for checking completeness of the model? Or the documentation? We feel comfortable with the notion of shared knowledge available to whatever different activity. In that direction, the reuse company has worked and developed the notion of creating a standard and universal way to represent and use knowledge. The result was the System Representation Language, SRL. This representation schema is used all along the company's toolset and is applicable to all sorts of work products, as you can see the examples shown in the video. And version 20 of TRC tools is completely aligned with this knowledge-centric approach that we have coined at the R&T labs within the university. Therefore, the new set of tools, including 4 different computer programs, is named Systems Engineering Suite, SES. Let me briefly describe each one of them using a simple commercial message. RQA, the product originally designed for managing requirements quality, provides now means to calculate and analyze the quality of every work product produced during the development lifecycle processes. You can calculate the quality of requirements, but of course, now it is possible to create quality projects that can compute and report the quality of models, test cases, documentation, risks, V&V results, software code, physical models, etc. RQI reuses the terminology relationships, patterns, and metrics from the ontology as well as the CCC approach. The quality of every work product is measured by computing correctness, consistency, and completeness. Let's talk about rich authoring tools. I have heard in the past that some competitors reference TRC as the company including products with such strange names. I am sure that they were thinking on our famous RAT. When we invented the requirement authoring tool many years ago, we realized that perhaps RAT was a difficult acronym. But it was finally not the case. We considered at that time that a tool helping humans to create smart and proper requirements in the same way and at the same time a lovely rat was helping a cook to produce good dishes in a famous movie could very easily be named Rat, right? I'm sure that you will not forget the name. At the reuse company, the RATs are plugins on top of different tools, like IBM DOS PTC Integrity, IBM Rhapsody, Capella, or even Microsoft Word or Excel, allowing you engineer to get an advisor and a support system when writing requirements, models, test cases, manuals. For example, would you like to be advised if you are wrongly using an acronym, or being helped by showing you the names of the signals you not yet use within the requirement specification? Would you like to be alerted if you are duplicating a requirement or blocking a model? Or getting information about the quality of the statement? Everything on the fly? In the case you want to author models or even requirements within models, would you like to get links and traces between the requirements and the model's elements automatically? Would you like to write requirements within IBM DOS using the model's terminology as if you are inside IBM Rhapsody? RAT does all that and much more for you and with you. Now, the Requirements Engineering Studio. The motto would be bringing requirements into MBSE. Version 20 offers a brand new technology, ready for you to discover: model-based requirements engineering. The associated product will be called Requirements Engineering Studio, known as RES. In next versions, and has been designed to properly bring requirements in the MBSE loop. TRC considers that textual requirements are necessary due to many reasons: communication, certification, V&V, among others. And the smartest approach is connecting these requirements seamlessly into the rest of the development activities. Therefore, for example, the RES will allow you to trace requirement with whatever other work product of whatever other tool. It will automatically generate test cases from requirements, including the corresponding traceability. It will be possible automatically generate logical or physical models from requirements, or the other way around. Even more, the Requirements Engineering Studio will offer requirements translation to other languages, requirements anonymization, or requirements extraction from text files. As an additional feature, V18 provides technology that allows to simulate requirements against FMI, FMU, and SysML models. Traceability management and discovery. The logo, thumbing traceability along the lifecycle. The new version 18th of TRC tools comes with a universal and standard traceability engine. The product is called Traceability Studio, acronym TS, and based on the notion of unlimited connectivity to every different work product, it offers universal traceability support between heterogeneous engineering sources. The Traceability Studio was conceived as an aid tool for reuse purposes, but it can be used in a standalone mode, of course. The most striking functionality provided by TS is, in my opinion, the possibility to discover traceability with no human interaction. Traceability Studio can analyze the source and target work products and produce a traceability suggestion report. Managing system interoperability. My introduction would be your wish, my command. I am sure that you can list a set of needs and challenges you'd like to solve and/or automate within your current working environment. They are usually difficult to achieve due to complex interaction problems, and therefore you simply leave them as unsolved. I am thinking, for example, on the need to maintain traceability between your models and a changing and evolving PDF document from the customer, of the challenge to calculate the cost of every single requirement as it is authored, or even the need to generate requirements from structure tables in Excel. Many tasks need strong interoperability between different work products and tools. The Interoperability Studio, IS, is designed to offer you means to make possible functionalities tailored to your needs by interconnecting tools and programming specific logic. Knowledge Manager, managing common and reusable information and knowledge All these tools, together with TRC's famous Knowledge Manager, KM, allow you to define and develop a complete knowledge-centric approach within your department and organization. You can define knowledge in a knowledge base ontology, create or purchase your libraries, and reuse knowledge along the whole systems engineering lifecycle. Everything performed following the classical systems engineering approach. Think big, start small, and evolve. I hope that you like the new version. In case of additional interest, please contact TRC people at the contact information shown in this video. Goodbye.